Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Garden Profiler. Today, we'll explore beautiful cozy spaces, both large and small, designed to bring warmth and charm even in the coldest of months. Let's dive into the enchanting world of winter gardening. Even in the smallest spaces, you can create a cozy retreat. This balcony garden features potted evergreens, warm lighting, with cozy blankets and pillows to keep the chill at bay. Add personal touches like a warm drink or a plaid blanket to make your winter garden feel like home. In larger spaces, pathways and structures like gazebos add a sense of exploration and magic. Frosted evergreens create a timeless winter wonderland. Water features, even when frozen, bring a serene beauty to any winter garden. Holly bushes add vibrant pops of red to the landscape. Repurposed items like vintage sleds make charming decor pieces. Add fairy lights and greenery for a festive touch. Ice ornaments are an easy DIY project. Freeze water with berries or pine cones in a mold. Then hang them from branches for an elegant touch. Winter gardens can also be a haven for wildlife. Bird feeders attract feathered friends, adding life and movement to your garden. Take a moment to breathe in the crisp winter air. Winter gardens are not just about beauty, they're spaces to find peace and mindfulness. Thank you for joining me on this magical journey through winter gardens. Which of these ideas inspired you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening inspiration. And until next time, I will see you in the next video.